Hello everyone, this is lecture number 1 and today's topic is overview of embedded systems. Before going to discuss about embedded systems in detail, I will first introduce you about the history of embedded systems. So the first recognized modern embedded system was Apollo Guidance Computer. You can say AGC in short. It was developed by Charles Stark Draper in August 1966 at the MIT Instrumentation Laboratory. Apollo Guidance Computer was a 1 cubic foot computer that controlled the navigation and guidance of the lunar module to the moon on 9 launches, 6 of which landed on the moon's surface successfully. Means its success rate was 67% at that time. It was a digital computer produced for the Apollo program that was installed on board each Apollo command module and each Apollo lunar module. It provided computation and electronic interfaces for guidance, navigation, and control of the spacecraft. The AGC was the first computer based on silicon integrated circuits. So you can say that the AGC was the first embedded system which was developed in the laboratory. Okay. Now, what is an embedded system? So any device that include a computer but is not itself a general purpose computer. It has its own hardware as well as software, and it is a part of a larger system and is expected to function without human intervention. An embedded system is expected to respond, monitor, as well as control environment using sensors and actuators. So basically, an embedded system is an embedding a computer into an appliance, and that computer is not expected to be used for general purpose computing. Finally, we can say that an electronic or electromechanical system which is designed to perform a specific function and is a combination of both hardware and software is called an embedded system. There are various examples of embedded systems. Embedded systems are found in a variety of common electronic devices such as consumer electronic like cell phones, pagers, digital cameras, camcorders, video cassette recorders, portable video games, calculators, and personal digital assistants. If we talk about home appliances, there are also embedded systems like microwave ovens, thermostats, home security systems, washing machines, and lighting systems. In offices, there are also several types of embedded systems like fax machines, copiers, printers, and scanners. If we talk about business equipments, the cash registers, alarm systems, card readers, and product scanners. Okay, as well as ATM machines. These are the examples of embedded systems. If we talk about automobiles, in automobiles, transmission control, cruise control, fuel injection, anti-lock brake, and active suspensions are the examples of embedded systems. The figure which is shown on the screen is a short list of embedded system examples. A more complete list would require many pages. So finally we can say that any device that runs on electricity either already has or will soon have a computing system embedded within it. So I hope you will be understanding clearly what embedded systems are and what are the examples of embedded systems. We are surrounded by embedded systems. Basically, if you will see in your surroundings, be it your home or be it your office or market or business places, everywhere embedded systems are. So thanking you all. We shall meet again in the next video.